Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Confirm eligibility first. You must be at least 18 years old and legally allowed to work in your country. Gather core documents: a government-issued ID, a clear selfie, and vehicle registration if using a motorcycle or car. If you have a driver's license, include it. If not, make sure your local permit covers commercial pickup. Open an active bank account to receive payouts, and ensure your smartphone runs recent Android or iOS versions with stable internet to accept delivery tasks and view earnings. Begin the application by downloading the Shopee Partner or Shopee Express registration app and creating an account with your mobile number. Fill out the digital form with full name, address, bank details, and vehicle information when applicable. Upload the required ID, selfie, and registration photos. Read and agree to the partner agreement and consent to a background check. Submit the form and wait for an email or SMS with the onboarding schedule. Complete identity verification and any short online training modules to activate your account. After verification, you will be scheduled for activation, which may include a short training and a test delivery to confirm operational readiness. Once active, accept delivery tasks through the partner app, follow the in-app optimized routes, and adhere to pick-up and drop-off time windows to protect your performance metrics. Earnings accumulate per trip and bonuses. Payouts are transferred to your registered bank account on the platform's payout cycle, often weekly or biweekly. Monitor ratings, keep documents current, and update availability to maximize assignments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.